Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creatnprocess. In this tutorial, we'll look at one other feature of Wix website where you can animate your elements. Let's look at that feature. Let's say you want to give an animated effect to your elements in the website. Let's give some effects. So I'll go to editor and let's select this background polygon shape. To give the animation effect, you can see this option animation, click on that and you can choose from different effects. So you got a list of effects like bounce in, so you can see that this one is for glide in. So if you play it, you can see that it's inside. This is for fade in, this is float in, and much more features out there. So you can choose any of the effects from here. I think I like this one, so I'll give this animation to this background like that. Now for the text, let's give different animation. Select the animation option and on animation panel let's choose fade in. So this one is for fade in. I think for the text, fade in is good. You can give different animation effect like this as per your need. Here are lots of options there, so but to give it simple, to give it more a professional look, let's choose fade in. And let's say you want to give some effect to the logo as well, so select your logo and go to animation and let's see which one will look better. I think fade in is the best option there. So now we have added the animation, let's preview it. So you can see this. I think we don't need the background rectangle as well. Let's just delete this out and we got the simple looking animation. Maybe I'll give a little style to this, so let's do some movement animation. I like this one, let's keep it like that. We can do much more for that. You can directly go to customize. The best thing is that you get all these options and each option can be customized in terms of duration and delay. Only animate for first time. That means you can preview the options like this. Let's delay it and let's see. There's 1 second delay, maybe let's say 2 seconds, and duration, let's increase it to 2 seconds, so it will come in very slowly. So the duration also can be edited, as well as the background. When you open the website, after how much time it will show the animation is also be controlled. Or you can also choose the animation direction, either you want it from top or from bottom or left. I think the top one is good. I'll reduce the speed, duration and delay to 0.4 seconds and done. Let's preview it and you can see the effect that we got, that logo animation fade in and this slide in animation, and that's giving a cool effect. So that's the way you can give nice cool animation to your website. The editing process is very simple, and using these features to edit your website, it's not complicated, it's very simple. All the options are in front of you and you have to just select the element and do these all changes. And if you're planning to build a new website for your business, I think this is the best option. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming out. If you want more updates on design, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.